Okay everyone, I'm fixing to tackle this exhaust leak, the manifold to the crossover, and meanwhile I thought that I was at my local parts place to get in the parts that I needed to fix the exhaust leak, and I actually saw one of these things. And I remember back in the day that I used to run these on my old cars. It was basically headers, either a thrush muffler or a cherry bomb, glass pack, and then a turned out little to the side. This would kick out a little of the sound off the ground and out from under the car, and that's the way I did all of them. One being an 055 Chevrolet truck, other one a couple of Chevelles, 70 and a 69 that I did that way, and a few other old Mopars that I owned that I did these on with the big blocks. Anyway, that ain't going to happen on this little S10 or this little GMC Sonoma, but it was there and I got it for like less than $30. 24 bucks something, and then you had to pay tax and things such as that, and that's the type muffler it is. We'll yank her out and look at her. There it is out of the box. This is the 28 one, not the 31. There's one smaller than this, a little shorty, I think a 12 or 18. And then we got this one, and then you got the real long one. As you can see, it's the screen type, not the louvered, but the screen, and that's what I always looked for back in the day. They sounded just a little bit better in my opinion. Oh yeah, main reason of getting this is this little sticker you get when you buy a thrush muffler. I remember back in the days we used to get them, and back in the day you just got the little bird, and I don't remember the thrush being so big. And we used to put them on our side vent winder on the door of our vehicle. I've had these, like I said, on a couple old cars, and they had the vent winders. And we'd stick them on each side of them because we had duals back then, and you got two of them. Well, anyway, guys, let's get into this whole project, and being that I went through the trouble of buying this thing, we will see what she sounds like. Okay, I've got it on the best that we can see it, but there's the glass pack, and the tailpipe runs back through there, and we have no converter on it, so it is long gone. And you can see the crossovers up there, and then it comes into the muffler with a new pipe.